Welcome back, guys. So today we're just going to do a brief overview of what this bathroom took and how much the client paid. Stay tuned. Here we go. Welcome back, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today we have another how much and how long project here. So I'm not going to go into detail in this video about what was done and all that. I'm just going to kind of go over the information of, if you want to do a project like this, what it's going to take and what is it going to cost. So I got pretty much a good amount of detail on this project as far as how much things cost and what it took. So let's start off with how many on-site days do I have here, okay? So this counts for how many times I actually drive to the job and then leave. This could be an hour, this can be 10 hours. So every day is counted as one day. Doesn't matter how long I was there, okay? So total days I have on site for this project, believe it or not, was 46 days, okay? 46 days on site total for this project. Now, you're probably wondering, maybe how many hours did you work in those 46 days? Well, I have that, written down here too. I have all the data for that. So I have roughly a total of 200 hours into this bathroom for all the work that I did. That was a full remodel here from top to bottom. The only thing that we pretty much left in place was the entry door there. So now you're probably wondering, well, let's just hear how much. Let's just hear how much. Well, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to break it down for you, okay? So my labor and rough materials are all included in this, and I'll tell you at the end, after this, what the client supplied, okay? So my total end for this project, my carpentry and my tile installation, my painting work and all that, the total was $23,400 for my end. Again, once again, all the carpentry work I did, my rough materials, all the tile installation I did, and the painting, all the trim work and whatnot. Then for the electrician, because we had to add a few lights in here, do a 4-gang box, the switches all in the front as soon as you walk in there to operate everything. For him was about $1,600. And then I had my shower door guy come in, and he did a semi-frameless shower door here and a custom-made mirror right behind the vanity there. His cost was about $2,000, and this is what the client paying him directly. Just so I'm clear here, this is what this is the amount that the client paid him directly. I had nothing to do with that one. I just called him, had him come out and do the project and oversee that part. The plumber, I'm not exactly sure how much that was. I did speak to him and got a rough idea what it was. For his end was roughly anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000 for the work he did there. That's a rough number for his end. Again, the client pays him directly. And then the client supplied me the tile. I sent them to one of my showrooms that I deal with locally in this area. And he paid roughly around $3,000 for all the tile that we see here in this bathroom. So that's all the data from this job. So if you add everything up, the total amount that the client pretty much invested in this bathroom, this does include one thing I mentioned as well. It does include like the disposal of the debris. We could have got a dumpster on this job, so you add like another $500 to $1,000 for that part. But without that, and everything I mentioned so far here up to this point, the client spent around $32,500 on this full bath remodel. So I hope this helps you. If you're looking to do a full bath remodel, giving you an idea, this project was done in the winter of 2025 to give you the time frame of it. So if you want to have something done like this, you need more information, feel free to reach out and I'll help you. Otherwise, thanks for tuning in. Donnie D, signing off.